As the cost of living continues to increase, many people are looking for ways to save money. There are a lot of money-saving tips and tricks out there, but not all of them work well. Here are some frugal hacks that can help you save money without making too many changes to your lifestyle. First hack: cut down on transportation costs. A recent study conducted by the University of California, Berkeley found that the average American family spends nearly 19% of their income on transportation. This can be a huge burden, especially for those who are struggling to make ends meet. There are a few simple things you can do to reduce your transportation costs. Carpooling is a great way to save money on gas and reduce your carbon footprint. If you live close to work or school, consider walking or riding your bike. You can also take advantage of public transportation options when they are available. If you must drive, there are a few ways to save money on gas. Make sure your car is well maintained so it runs efficiently. Try to consolidate your errands into one trip instead of making multiple trips. Second hack: scan the receipt for cash back. One hack that always works is to scan your receipt for cash back offers. You can usually find these offers at the bottom of your receipt or in the store's app. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt and submit it for cash back. This hack can really add up over time, especially if you shop at a lot of different stores. Third hack: save on groceries. Grocery shopping can be a huge expense, but there are some easy ways to save money on groceries. One way is to plan your meals ahead of time and make a list of what you need. This way, you can stick to your budget and avoid buying unnecessary items. Another way to save money is to buy in bulk when possible. This can help you save money on staples like rice, pasta, and beans. Finally, take advantage of coupons and discounts when you can. By using these simple tips, you can easily save money on your grocery bill. Fourth hack: find discounts on products and coupons. We all love a good deal, and there are plenty of ways to find discounts on the products we buy. One great way to do this is to search for coupons online. You can often find coupons for a variety of products, including groceries, clothing, and even travel. Another great way to save money is to sign up for email newsletters from your favorite retailers. This way, you'll be the first to know about any sales or promotions they're running. And finally, don't be afraid to haggle. Many retailers are willing to negotiate prices, especially if you're buying multiple items. By following these tips, you'll be sure to save some serious cash on your next shopping trip. Fifth hack: use cash instead of credit cards. We all know that using credit cards can be detrimental to our finances. It's so easy to swipe and forget about the money we're spending. But did you know that using cash instead of credit cards can actually save you money? Here's how it works: when you use cash, you're more mindful of your spending. You think twice before buying that coffee or those new shoes because you can see the physical money leaving your hands. Credit cards make it too easy to spend without thinking, and before you know it, your balance is sky high. So next time you're tempted to reach for your plastic, think again. With these frugal hacks, you'll be on your way to saving big bucks in no time. After trying out these money-saving frugal hacks, you'll be amazed at how much money you can save without making any major changes to your lifestyle. From small tweaks like getting a cashback to bigger changes like using cash instead of a credit card, there are a number of ways to save money without sacrificing your quality of life. So, what are you waiting for? Try out these frugal hacks and start saving money today. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.